In this video, I'll show you how to make a clean 3D screen effect in CapCut PC. I'll walk you through step by step, so don't miss any detail. Open CapCut PC and start a new project. Import the video or screen recording you want to use, then drag it onto the timeline so it is ready to edit. Go to the Effects tab in the top left panel and search for Player 3. Drag the Player 3 effect onto your clip in the timeline. Make sure the effect layer covers the same length of time as the clip you want to animate. Select the Player 3 layer, then look at the right-hand video panel under the Effect tab. Find the glow and texture settings and set their values to 0. This keeps the effect focused on the transformation and removes stylized glow or texture. Now use keyframes to animate, rotate, and size. Move the playhead to the point where you want the animation to start. In the video panel under the Basic tab, find Rotate, Horizontal, and Size, and click the keyframe diamond next to them to lock in the starting values. Move the playhead to the endpoint of the animation and change the values to create the 3D look. Set the rotate value as you need to around 36. Increase size a little, for example, to 27 and the horizontal value to 72. A new keyframe will be created automatically with those values. If you want more complex motion, add a middle keyframe between the start and end and give it different rotation, horizontal, or size values so the screen moves through another angle before finishing. To make the motion smoother, select the first keyframe, right-click, and select Ease In. Similarly, for the last keyframe, ease out. This will make the animation smooth. For black bars around the edges after rotation, select both the original video clip and the Player 3 effect layer, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. With the new compound clip selected, add keyframes and last for scale on the compound clip itself, and increase the scale to around 120% until the black gaps are gone. Set another keyframe in the original 100% size. Give these settings a try and tweak the rotation, position, and scale until the movement feels right. Small changes make a big difference, and combining smooth curves with a compound clip will give you a polished 3D screen result. Thank you for watching, and try these steps on your next clip to see how they improve the look.